Ready for the next big wearable? Samsung just teased its smart glasses today, taking aim at Meta's Ray-Ban Meta glasses with lightweight frames and rumored AR displays. They're trending huge on X. Stick around to see why these specs are about to change the game. What's up, tech fam? Welcome to GadInsider. Samsung's shaking up the wearable world with a smart glasses teaser, positioning them as a direct rival to Meta's Ray-Ban Meta glasses. With lightweight frames, a Qualcomm AR1 chip, and Google Gemini AI, they're sparking buzz. X posts are hyped about their AR potential, so let's unpack what's coming. So what's the deal with Samsung smart glasses? Teased as a 2025 Q3 launch, they're built to be sleek at 50 grams, just 2 grams heavier than Meta's 48-gram Ray-Ban Meta glasses, with a Qualcomm AR1 chip and NXP co-processor for snappy performance. A 12-megapixel Sony IMX681 camera handles photos, videos, QR code scanning, and gesture recognition, matching Meta specs. The 155 mAh battery offers 4 hours of use with a charging case for extra juice, like Meta's 32-hour case combo. Powered by Google Gemini AI, they'll integrate with Galaxy phones for voice commands, calendar sync, and contextual tips, like suggesting replies to text. Rumors hint at AR displays for basic HUD visuals, though leaks suggest no full AR yet, possibly relying on phone tethering for AR content. With IPX4 water resistance and gesture controls, they're made for all-day wear. Let's get you in on this. Picture rocking Samsung smart glasses. What's your vibe? Snapping hands-free pictures with a 12MP camera? Getting AI tips from Gemini? Or seeing AR notifications pop up? Drop your dream feature in the comments.